Hello Happy Souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing part 1 body parts, that is side panels and the rear tail panels. And this is the side panel and it is from Pinnacle Universal Accessories. They make auto components and it is a Haryana based company. That is the manufacturer is same but it is marketed by different companies, I think. And this is manufactured by Skybound Autoplast, that is they make plastic, I think. And it is well packed and the package was good from outside. And let's see the description. And inside is the side panel, that is a set, that is LH and the RH, and suits for Samurai OEM. And color is green, and the pricing is 650 rupees. And I bought this in the year 2024 Jan month, and the manufacturer is May 2023. It may vary depending upon the seller and the distributor. It is covered and it is wrapped well with the paper inside. And by seeing the product, the painting is good, the stickers are good. And previously I have bought some plastic panels. The quality is not like that. And the holes and other things are the original one. And you can see the Samurai logo here. And this is made of ABS plastics. It is mentioned recyclable, and the marking is given the LH side. And these are all the two mountings, and one at the top and one at the bottom, and the third one will be arrested with the keyhole. And this is the tail panel, that is the rear one. And this is also from the same brand, Pinnacle and Haryana based company. And the package is also good, and the color blends with the panel which I bought, that is green color. And it is inside, it is set of 3, that is LH, RH, and the tail part, that is the part which comes above the tail lamp. And the pricing is 500. And this is the tail part. You can see the quality of the paint, it is good. But after using we can say how it is. It may fade away due to sun and rain, and some paint may look weird after some days, and due to sun and other things the stickering may peel off. And it depends, we have to use and see. And this is also made of ABS plastics, and LH and RH markings are given. And this is the LH and RH. And in the mid it comes the centerpiece. It has to be assembled like this. And overall I like this product when compared to other parts I have bought for Splendor and other things. The painting will look like something waviness, but it is not like this in this case. And let's wait and see. That's all for this video. See you in another video.